Thomas here, a bit of a restoration project with a Mercedes and the three MAN trucks here. This one here, one in the background, and this one. This is the oldest one of them all, I think. I think I built that about 10 years ago. It did take a nasty fall, this one here, and I brought this one with it. All the wheels are all broke. They're only sat on the table here. So I want to replace all the rims. This is the other side of that. Just snapped completely off once it hit the floor. We broke our jib as well. So I want to get that fixed. That is the other side of the trailer. Again, those wheels only sat on, all snapped off completely. That is the other step, which is for the other side of the Mercedes. All the lights are still working, thank God. The lights on this one, I used the old lighting, which was the LEDs, not the SMDs, what I use now. So this is going to be up for restoration, this one. That's really only glue in place and a couple of adjustments here and there. That'll be good as new again. We got our stacks. The stacks come off, broke just down here. I go into that like so. See the front bumper is the old LEDs I had in. They're big and bulky, as you can see by the wires, compared to the old the new SMDs that I'm using now at the minute. So they're going to be replaced. Those at the top, they're all starting to fade too, the LEDs, so they're going to be replaced. That's your bulb bar, goes onto the front of the bumper. If I'm keeping that decal work, that was a pain in the ass getting that all down. What would that down? So what I will do is just give it an overall clean, get it all back to the garage and get our new lights in it. The glass works on the table or somewhere along with the visor. And then we get it re-lacquered. So it should come up okay. So bear with me here. And we're back soon, hopefully with this here all fixed. So not be long.